Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, has finally said sorry. Zuckerberg has admitted the lapse, and this is the first time that the tech giant has bowed to the pressure from a strong Indian response. But look at what the opposition has been doing. Instead of standing with the government's fight against bias, prejudice, and what I call algorithm terror, they are standing with Meta. Mahua Moitra had this to say a few hours ago. Mark, don't get bullied. You should not get bullied. For her, following the law of the land, or let's just say compliance is bullying. Today, when the government says Meta has apologized, a senior Congress leader, man on your screen, he says, where is the proof? Serious charges are on the table, including child sexual abuse content, and still the priority is to doubt your own country and defend a foreign company. Listen to what Karti Chidambaram said.
The hand which fed them is now biting them. This is a government which relied on social media for its own propaganda. Now suddenly a newer generation has beaten them. Our visibility is significantly reduced because of the interference of the government. I can't verify whether Meta has apologized or who's done it, or whether any algorithms have been tweaked. I have no idea. I'll be very, very surprised if there is an apology letter from a company like Meta. I mean, they should file it in the New York Stock Exchange if they've actually written an apology letter to any government.
Okay. Professor Manojit Mondal is now joining us. Professor Mondal, Mahua Moitra calls this bullying. How is this bullying?
No, I really don't know whether Meta has actually acceded to the demand of the government of India. Yes, if Meta is doing business in India, they must be accountable. I may
That's not even my question. I am asking you on what Mahua Moitra is saying. How is this bullying?
So if the government is pressure tactic, then this could be
What
bullying,
is the pressure tactic?
The government, if the government has got the law...
You can't see the bias and prejudice.
That's
Why was the Prime Minister's post taken down,
this.
sir? No, you tell me.
You come...
Why was the Prime Minister's post taken down?
Yes,
what is the justification for CSAM?
That can be... That can only be explained by Meta. We want to know that.
For the explanation, why are you saying that don't fall for bullying, etc.?
What is, yeah, if the government is pressure taking, then she must be saying this.
Meta is not calling it bullying. One minute. Meta is not calling it bullying. Mahua Moitra is calling it bullying. Professor Manojit Mondal?
What has Meta called? What has Meta called that we want to know? Why did they,
why did they put it down? Why jump the gun?
And whether they have apologized or not, we want to know.
ये क्या है? सबूत दिखाइए, सबूत गैंग.
नहीं, it was bullying. बिल्कुल सीधी bullying है. And after what we did at Jantar Mantar, the cockroaches, और social media ने हमें समर्थन दिया. आप लोग तो देते नहीं है national media वाले. तो सोशल मीडिया को अभी हमला कर रहे हैं.
तो आप नेशनल मीडिया पे हर पूरे दिन भर क्यों बैठे रहते विवेक श्रीवास्तव? आप बॉयकॉट कर दीजिए नेशनल मीडिया. आप सोशल मीडिया चैंपियन बन जाइए.
आप कॉकरोचेस को भी तो दिखाओ ना थोड़ा, उनके लिए भी बोलो.
वो तो ठीक है,
करो. आपने किया नहीं सर.
सर, my panel is open to no 1 minute. Anyone who's sane and not abusive.
But then you see the kind of a stand you take day after day with a lot of respect for you and your vocal.
No, 1 minute. This is not the stand. You can fault my stand, but tell me where I am wrong.
Rahul Gandhi every day.
सर मुझे बता दीजिए ना, इसमें मेटा में मैं राहुल गांधी का नाम भी नहीं लिया मैंने. मैं महुआ मोइत्रा.
अगर प्राइम मिनिस्टर की पोस्ट उतर गई है तो आप उठा करके पूरे के पूरे एक आदमी को ब्लैकमेल करेंगे. और मार्क जुकरबर्ग अगर झुका है तो
ब्लैकमेल, बुलिंग एंड ब्लैकमेल.
वाओ, उसका बिजनेस है.
अश्विनी जी, आप भी यही बोलते हैं. उन्होंने बोल दिया आपका. ही इज नाउ टेकिंग कॉल्स फॉर यू ऑल्सो. Dr. Ranganathan, I'll come to you, but Tuhin Sinha, respond quickly to what you've heard.
Ranesh, one thing is very clear. Big tech companies are no doubt huge. They're not just big, they're huge today. But nobody can be bigger than the law of the land. And this is, this is the consistent stand of Modi government. So in 2021, when the new IT laws come, they had to, mandatorily employ a chief nodal officer, chief compliance officer. If you recall, they dragged their feet for months. eventually they had to comply with the law of the land. What they did right now was insidious algorithmic manipulation with a malefied intent to influence public minds, and that will not be tolerated. I think, Zuckerberg has been on record in the past saying that Facebook can influence outcomes, electoral outcomes anywhere. If he has said that, he needs to realize that he can't do that in India ever.
Dr. Ranganathan, blackmail, bullying.
नहीं, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता प्रणेश, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू यू, आपने क्या वहीं कहीं स्टूडियो में मैं नहीं हूं, वहां कन्वेयर बेल्ट है। ये इतने हिपोक्रेट्स और सेंसलेस लोगों को पैनल पे कैसे एक धीरे धीरे ऐसे आ रही है, जैसे वो पिंक फ्लॉयड का गाना है ना, वैसे। लुक एट विवेक, ही स्माइलिंग राइट नाउ। लुक एट अश्विनी। ये देखो, ये कांग्रेस ने क्या किया था, 300 लोगों के ट्विटर अकाउंट ब्लॉक करवा दिए थे फोर्सिबली, जिसमें शिवरूर भी था, कंचन गुप्ता थे, तब कोई शर्म नहीं थी। सेक्शन 66 के अंदर जिसका जब मन करता था उसको हटा देते थे। Have some shame, Ashwini. I don't know. I mean, for the last, I have said this 4 times tonight itself, Ashwini. Why are you doing this? And as far as Vivek is concerned, one thing I do admit is chutzpah in this. अपनी कंट्री में जो हो रहा है उसकी एक बात नहीं करनी, लेकिन इंडिया में जो हो रहा है उसको चिल्ला चिल्ला के कहना। अरे जरा अपनी
बैंड है सर, इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक तो बैंड है वहां, तो बी फॉर बुलिंग और ब्लैकमेल नहीं, बी फॉर बैंड है वहां पे। विवेक श्रीवास्तव, हंस रहे हैं आप?
नहीं, यहाँ पे भी देखिए, अब आप आकर के हमारी आवाज
बैंड क्यों है? आप एक बात बताइए, बीजिंग ने बैंड क्यों बजा दिया वहां पे?
इसलिए क्योंकि वहां पर
आप
भी
क्यों बीजिंग का बैंड बजाते हैं यहाँ पे?
नहीं, बीजिंग तो बहुत अच्छी जगह है। बीजिंग इज अ वेरी गुड प्लेस, इट्स अ वेरी गुड गवर्नमेंट, इट्स अ वेरी गुड वे ऑफ लाइफ ओवर देयर, you know.
Should we have that model in India? Should we have that Beijing model here?
If the people permit, why not? If the people permit, why not? If the people permit and the people want it, why not?
चलिए सर, ये डाल दीजिएगा, कम्युनिस्ट मैनिफेस्टो में डाल दीजिएगा। Yeah.
Is Vivek Srivastav on X? We want to respond to his comments, so he's quite popular.
Vivek Srivastav, are you on X?
I am a very limited user of X and social media as such. Very, very limited use of it. Because as a communist, I believe I should work more onto the streets.
Yeah, communists in this country and their influence has also been limited. So you thank the wisdom of the people, Vivek Srivastav. Dr. Ranganathan, you were showing something before we end.
No, I was showing because you showed a bite of Karti Chidambaram, talking about freedom of speech. Look at this. Back in UPA, there was a person who, supposedly wrote a tweet against Karti. The man was arrested. Karti was not even a leader then. He was just a minister's son. Well,
it's the surname that dictates. Ashwini ji.
I have not spoken on the issue yet, and yet Anand made an opinion about
Sir,
me that what I will
because
speak.
you have a chance to prove him wrong today.
That is the
आप एकदम वो लाइन ले लीजिए, नहीं आप एक वैसा लाइन ले लीजिए और डॉक्टर रंगनाथन को गलत साबित कर दीजिए। आज आपके पास मौका है।
Pranesh, there are 2 important points here. One, a land of law is supreme. No one can take down the content of our prime minister. If we really go by the policy of Meta, which is about removing the hated content, I think 50% of Modi's content will be removed. Having said that, no one has a right to go against the land of law.
He's got a car from his brother, इसीलिए वो land of law हो गया. It can happen. It's a slip of tongue. कोई बात नहीं. We've heard others also. Work from home को किसी ने कुछ और बोल दिया था. So all of that has happened. But let's leave it at this. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us. Let's see how this debate unfolds in the days to come. The news hour with Navika Kumar on the other side.